I wanted to use my parking space efficiently, and I did it by the help of my new simple DIY project where it shows the accurate distance between my car and the wall. You can see how close I can get without worrying whether my car will touch the wall or not. Well, I wanted to do a tutorial on this one which I told last week, but I didn't find the need of it. But this one did. Hi everyone, this is Momin here from Mount Dynamics, and in this video we'll be measuring a distance using Node MCU, LED dot matrix and ultrasonic sensor. In this project we need MAX7219 8x32 LED dot matrix display, Node MCU V3 microcontroller, ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 and few jumper wires. We have selected the parts we need. First we'll connect LED to Node MCU, the ground will go to the ground. The data in pin will go to digital pin number 7. Then chip select pin will go to digital pin number 8. Clock pin will go to digital pin number 5. And VCC will go to 3 volts. Now we'll connect ultrasonic sensor to the Node MCU. The VCC will go to the voltage of USB, that is VU. The ground will go to the ground. The trick pin will go to digital pin number 4 and echo pin will be connected to digital pin number 2. So here we have the code. First what we have to do is we have to select the board. To select the board, first we have to install ESP8266 board in the Arduino IDE software. The procedure for that is in my previous video. Please do watch it. The name of the video is Getting Started with Node MCU. Now go to Tools. From Tools, go to the board. From board, you can see ESP8266 boards. From there, you have to select Node MCU 1.0. Soon after selecting, just have a look at these libraries. This will be already installed with the ESP8266 boards. Then Parola and Max72 library. These libraries have to be downloaded first to the Arduino IDE software. The procedure of this also is in my previous video of tutorial on 8x32 LED dot matrix. So please do watch it. I have explained it very clearly how to do it. Then here we are defining the hardwares. Here don't get confused with the pins here. These are actually GPIO pin numbers which correspond to the board pin, that is D5, D7 and D8, and here also you can see. So don't get confused with this. The hardware name is FC16_HW for MAX7219 LED dot matrix. We are using maximum 4 devices. You can see here, that is one corresponds to one 8x8 LED dot matrix. So we are using 4 8x8, which makes it 8x32. So you have to add here 4. Then what you have to look into it is, this is the delay you can see here. Here it means that for every new distance measured will be displayed in LED dot matrix within 50 milliseconds. If you don't want it to change too fast, the new distance, you can keep it as 500 milliseconds or 200 milliseconds, not a problem. Since I use it for parking the car, I need it to be very precise, and the new distance has to be shown very quick so that I won't touch the car to the wall. So I have kept it as 50. Then this part is to align the measured distance which is displayed on LED dot matrix to be in the center. So since I'm using 4 LED dot matrix 8x8, this has to be fixed as 3. If you're using 3, then make it as 2 here. If you're using just 2 8x8, which makes it 8x16, then you have to make it as 1. So that's pretty much it. We'll upload the code now. Okay, let's upload the code now. You click upload. The compiling is almost over. It's uploading. Yes, now you can see it's uploaded. I'll reduce the brightness. You can see here. Switch it off. Yep, it's clear now. You can see this is working. Now let's check whether this ultrasonic sensor is accurate or not. As per the coding, we have designed it to show the distance in centimeters. Right now I'm having a scale in centimeters, so let's check whether it shows the same distance or not. It is showing the same distance, so ultrasonic sensor is pretty much accurate. That's it for this video. If you have liked this tutorial, please do subscribe. Thank you.